I know this is surprising. We have her back with us again today, my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, which we love because they are obviously amazing realtors, trustworthy, everything.
They have a team of specialists. They do a great job. As I mentioned, that they really did a super job selling our condo. My husband just mentioned the other day that he sold 9 homes in his life and never, ever had anything go so smoothly.
Well, I know they are fabulous, and I know you have an amazing one to tell us about today.
Yes, we do have a home in Scottsdale, and it is an updated house, beautifully maintained. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, over 2,800 square feet. The kitchen has the stainless steel appliances, thick granite countertop, rich, beautiful stained cabinets, a center island. It's just gorgeous, as you can see.
It really is. It's beautiful.
You'll enjoy cooking there. It has a generous family room with a marble surround fireplace and convenient built-ins. The master bedroom's also great, and you will just love the backyard. It's like a paradise. It has a pool with a boulder, waterfall. I mean, isn't this gorgeous? Look at this.
It really
and
is.
It's well priced at $575,000.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
For this home, you need to go out and see it today. This is not going to last long. They just got it on the market.
Okay, well, people need to check it out. So thank you for joining us again, Mother.
Thanks for having me, honey.